Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let me talk about that what is the right, what is the wrong. Choose one topic. Should should we invest our time to understand some people that they can never understand if they don't want? This is my topic. What I talk about this topic. Look, I'm just a moment, you can say, I was so confused and I was so disturbed with this concept. Should I invest my time to understand someone that is very closely with you? That could be your family member, that would be your family member, that could be your any person. But if you try to understood them, then they can't understand. They never try to understand your thought process, because these are your thought process. These are not their thought process, because they actually face this problem and you are not in that situation. But still this is the solution. Not if you try to understand them, no, this is right, why you are fair so. And then she said that no, you can't know because you are not in that situation, so you can't know. That in that moment, what you say, what should you say? I think you have no idea, then you should quit. This is real solution? No, this is not, I think, real solution. Because if you try to understand someone, then they are not eligible to understand. Actually, they are not ready to understand, because they think my life is so worse, my life has no aim, my life is so stressful. This thought always interrupts their mind. So what you can do, if you want to do something for person, and I think you can't do, because this is the struggle of their lives, and they can handle easily if they think. Main point, if they think I can. Because if they have or not a courage, and they have or not a self estimate, that no, I have to do this, just because of I am so dark color and I am so worthy, then I can't do. No, I should fight for our respect. Why not? Some fight is good for our relationship, and some fight is so bad. But we all need to try to understand what's type of fight is good for our relationship and what's not. If you figured out this topic, then you are eligible to solve your problem. We all are indulged in the problem. We never think about their solution. We only believe at the God. But this is not real solution. God will not come and say you that I will help you, wait and keep patience. No. You have to raise your hand, you have to wake up, stand on your feet, and then say that no, you are wrong. I'm not all wrong. You are something wrong, maybe. If you try to understand this type of thinking, that help her to increase their courage, increase their fear. If they didn't want, you can't understand them. Think about it, Dimple, and then take a decision. Why are you interrupt in their family situation? Because she is your sister, okay? But it's not enough, because she didn't want to interrupt you in her family member. I'm not interpret in their family member, I'm just interpret in my sister's health. What you can say? I think you should keep quiet about this solution, this problem.